Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix DISM Scan stuck at 62.3% and failing with the message the source files could not be found in Windows. The DISM Scan may get stuck at 62.3% due to duplicate Windows file scanning. If you see the source files could not be found, it may indicate missing system files. How to fix? Step 1. Be patient. If the scan is stuck at 62.3%, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes as it may resume automatically. If it remains stuck for too long, proceed to the next steps. Step 2. Check and update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update, and check for available updates. Install any pending updates. Step 3. Update Windows using official Microsoft tool. Download Windows 11 Installation Assistant from Microsoft's website. Install the latest update to replace missing files. Step 4. Run SFC to scan and fix system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. Wait for the process to complete and restart your computer. If the issue persists, you may need to reinstall Windows for a permanent fix. Good luck!